How to reset your account on Spotify. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can easily go ahead and reset your account on Spotify in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So, if you want to quickly go ahead and reset your account, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Spotify and simply go over to your account access. Now, if you go over to your account access, you're going to get quite a few different settings and details. So, what you are going to do is you have all the histories that are being recorded for you. Okay. And those histories are obviously your song hearing history or something like that. So you can actually manage your data. So first of all, you're going to turn all of these things off. Okay. And once you turn all these things off in the privacy section, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll up. And once you scroll up, you're going to make sure to delete all of your playlists off from the Spotify section. Now, once you've removed all of your listening history and once you've removed all of your playlists, that basically turns your account into a newly started account because there's no playlist, there's no listen history. So you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that is pretty much about it. That is how you can reset your account on Spotify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.